Hey everybody, welcome back to Pink's Garage. Pink here. Hope everybody's having a good time and ready to watch some racing. Today we have 8th mile bracket racing with the Car Club Challenge at Bremerton Motorsports Park. And we have a couple of qualification rounds and some elimination rounds. We're going to go through them real quick. It's going to be me doing the first two qualifications, and then we'll show my wife doing her first two qualification rounds, and then we're going to go through her first and unfortunately only elimination round before we start getting to my elimination rounds and see how we do. And I'll be back in a few to discuss a couple things. So that was the first elimination round, and as you saw, I hit a red light right there at the beginning. So I thought for sure it was over, but I raced it out like I normally would, and it looks like, you know, the other car beat me anyway. But come to find out, when I picked up my ticket and my time slip, I was not the only one to get a red light, and my red light was only a .003, whereas his was a little bit deeper at a .076. So I won that round, and we'll continue on to second elimination. Thank you. I guess they're not doing the dots now, but I got the win. So here's to me. Moving on to third round. So that was the second elimination round, and yeah, it looked like I lost because he was in front of me, but I didn't. I won because this time they got a red light. I didn't. So instant win already. So on to round three. Round three, for me, just a bye round. I don't have to race anybody else. We're just trying to even up the numbers here. So I get a race by myself against myself, and I take it a little bit easy. And so not much going on here. I ran like an 8.5, did a pretty slow run. Probably should have pushed it a little bit more just to keep going with it, what it was. But now, after this, it's on to the semifinal rounds.
Figure out which two, move the button. Yeah. Right. They had to determine which.
That was the semifinal round, and it was a close one. I won. I couldn't believe it when I crossed that line first, but it was a win. And I'm going to show you the ticket here in just a second, but it was a close win. The only reason I won is because I had such a good reaction time. Otherwise, it would have been a loss. So here's the time slip, and on to the finals. So that was the final run. It was me against an old Fox body. The Fox body beat me. I don't know what would have happened if I had not revved so high and slipped my clutch in 2 gears. It was a bad sound, a bad feeling, and a really bad smell. But I came in second place, and that's not too bad. And that means the Ford drag team took first and second place tonight. It was a good day. Long day, but good. I enjoyed it. A lot more fun to come. Don't have another race again until July 12th. The last one got called due to rain, and I wouldn't have been home for it anyway. So until the next video, which may or may not be racing, we'll see what happens between now and then. Keep those motors running and take it easy.